The upcoming iPhone 15 Pro Max case leak reveals a significant design shift. The iPhone 15 Pro models are set to gain major design changes, from the first USB Type-C port on an iPhone to the thinnest bezels on an iPhone. There's much to look forward to. With that being said, it appears that we might just have confirmation for another major design shift for the 15 Pro models. Apple looks to be replacing the 16-year-old mute button with a completely new bespoke button for the flagship 15 Pro Max, according to live photographs given by the whistleblower. This confirms an earlier report from Ming-Chi Kuo, and it will be one of the most significant design changes for the flagship iPhone model. Previously, the mute button lay in the top left corner of the mid-frame for simple toggling, and iPhone covers followed suit. The uploaded picture, however, shows a bigger and more rounded cutout at the upper left corner of the mid-frame, which would ostensibly house the supposed custom key. This indicates that the situation is set to alter. If the Cupertino tech giant names it the Action button like the Action button on the Watch Ultra, it may be useful in more ways than one. Aside from muting alerts and calls, you'll be able to map this button to do any function, like as activating Siri, opening certain applications, triggering specific commands, using it as a camera shutter, and much more. The removal of the mute option will be felt by some long-term iPhone users since it is so easy and quickly controlled by muscle memory. The case photos also reveal a wider bottom edge cutout for the new Type-C port. Apple is jumping before it is pushed with Type-C after the European Union, which made of the new common charger standard for smartphones and mobile devices a law that will come into force in late 2024. USB-C is slightly thicker than Apple's proprietary port, and case makers must adjust accordingly. Finally, a crew member noticed that the new casings had significantly moved power and volume buttons. When compared to the 14 Pro, the buttons on the 15 Pro will be positioned somewhat lower, making them simpler to reach. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.